Hey guys, we're live this evening at 9:13, battling for Mike's Star Wars the Fett Baggie. There he is. 60 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Got a little carried away there with my copying. There they are. Copy. 60. Pasting them in there. There they are. 1 through 60. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. As you probably know, we got a 7, so we are golden. Good luck. Here we go. Scott, round 1. Jacques, 2. Sean, 3. Len, 4. Steve in the top spot for round 5, followed by Scott again for round 6, and our winner is Eric Rand. And at number 42, congratulations, Eric. Here's the official results and verification code. KVQQWY. Eric Rand at number 42 is the victor of the Fett Baggie battle, which means that I am done at 9:14 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Eric at number 42. Thanks, guys. See you next time.